the Osmo Pocket 2 on October 20th. It's coming out. I have scanned the web for everything that I believe it's going to contain. So here it is. First, the lens. On the original Osmo Pocket, you really needed to buy a wide-angle lens to do the selfie thing for vloggers. I believe they're going to correct that situation. They changed the lens. In the pictures that I've seen, and I'm going to put some up throughout this video, it looks like they did something to the lens. We're not getting the Hasselblad 2.0, the great lens that is the larger sensor in the drones. But I think we're going to get an improvement to the lens. And I think wide angle is one thing, a little bit more so vloggers can use it. And the reason I say that is, if you watch the video, forum.dji, they have put up a video talking about the event for October 20th, and they show actual videos of a girl holding the camera out and doing a selfie. The lens has to be wider just for them to do that. Now, it's only a 720p video. It's not done in 4K. It's not done that I can see on the web, but it looks good. I also think they'll have upgraded the lens, but it just won't be the 1-inch sensor and all these things that people believe. Number two, biggest thing is going to be, I had videos where if you had Osmo Pocket 1, you got rid of that whole hitch it to the phone. You needed the wheel. And the wheel but the wheel was a pain because you either go up or down or left or right. There was and you had to toggle it in between, awkward, hard to do smooth. On the new pictures of what they got rid of the word Osmo, but Pocket 2, there's a joystick here instead of the wheel. And it's on the unit. I think the unit's a little bigger, but it's on the unit. It's a joystick. So no more fumbling with left, right, up, down. You'll just be able to use your thumb, because the greatest part of the Pocket is it fits in your pocket, don't hitch it to your camera, and you walk around and you take videos, and it's not like holding up a camera or holding up a phone. You're just walking around with it and getting very good shots. This is one of my favorite cameras. So, the lens, the joystick. I think they got rid of, how you had to get the wireless adapter to hitch it to your phone or to move photos, even though it's not a very productive way. It's better to just take the card out and download. But I think the wireless is going to be built in, and they're going to go even further. They're going to have wireless capability for microphones. So that is going to be big, because for vloggers to have a wireless microphone as part of the unit built in, going to be a big plus. So the last thing, no more buying one of these adapters to get the thread on the bottom. Based on some designs that were shown in other YouTubers, they're going to have the mount for your tripod right on the bottom. So that means the USB-C is moved to the back. Hey, though each one is a minor change, but a big change. Because the benefit of this thing is not hitching it to your phone. It is that you can just pull it out, turn it on, shoot, and you get very smooth videos. Day one, count me in. I'm buying one. Because this is my favorite thing, and they've fixed the quirks that are coming. Now, this is all based on me reviewing other YouTubers' websites and other broadcasts, but I wanted to give it to you just how I see it. I'm throwing video, go look at it. Forum.dji's website. They've got a little video. It's pretty short, but it is about the Pocket 2. It definitely is October 20th. I hope you like this video. I just wanted to give you the latest, greatest as it's come out. Just give you the highlights, and I think this is going to be fabulous. And I got to get one. Hey, thanks for watching.